Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to prove that 1 minus cos theta squared plus tan theta minus sin theta squared is equal to sec theta minus 1 squared. What's great about this proof that I'm about to show you is that it's geometric. If you want the algebraic proof, then keep watching this video. Now, to accomplish this, we are going to use the unit circle and also the right-angled triangle. 1 plus tan theta squared is equal to sec theta squared. Now, if this is the unit circle and the length down here is the radius, which equals 1, then this length over here is going to be 1 minus cos theta. If this length up here, the opposite, is tan theta, then this length over here is going to be tan theta minus sin theta, because we've got sin theta over here. Now, because the hypotenuse of this right-angled triangle is going to be sec theta, and the radius is equal to 1, okay, then this length over here, this hypotenuse, is going to be sec theta minus 1. Considering these facts, we have the length 1 minus cos theta over here. We have the length tan theta minus sin theta over here. And we have the hypotenuse sec theta minus 1 over here. What we can say, because of Pythagoras' theorem, is that 1 minus cos theta squared plus tan theta minus sin theta squared is equal to sec theta minus 1 squared. This is because this little triangle over here is actually a right-angled triangle. If you'd like to verify this result using algebra, then just visit the link below this video that's going to take you to this written algebraic proof over here. If this video has been useful to you and you want more mathematics proofs, make sure you subscribe to my channel. For extra mathematical and geometric proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.